Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Laura and this is Semi-Domestic Mom. Today's video is going to be a clean with me and a little bit of a decorate with me. I'm finally putting my fall decorations up, but when I actually do it, it doesn't seem like that much. So I'm going to start cleaning my kitchen and just getting that all situated, and then I'm going to move into my living room and my dining room and just get it all nice and clean so that I could put this stuff up. I had originally wanted to get this video out last week, but I was just not feeling it, so that's why it's going up a little bit later. You know, every once in a while you just kind of have to take a break. And I needed that last week. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in a minute. So as I bring my stuff in for my little tiny decorating, this centerpiece, all of the items I'm using are from Hobby Lobby. The pumpkins I'm putting in this glass jar are from Michael's, and so is the garland that I'm going to be putting up. I had a little bit of problem putting the garland up. It wasn't quite long enough to fit anywhere, and the one place that I was going to put it, it was not wanting to work, but you'll see that in just a second. Now that school is back in session, I feel like all I'm doing is just going through paperwork all the time. There's just so much paperwork that comes home, especially with, I feel like more so elementary kids than high school kids. Like with Hayden, he never brings home anything. Maybe that's, I don't know, is that a good thing? Or maybe I'm just not seeing anything that he's bringing home. I don't know. But now that school's back in session, there's definitely a lot more paperwork floating around our house. So right here you can see I'm trying to do the garland again, and the top of this entertainment hutch is not actually connected. So I'm just trying to like lift it up and put the garland underneath, but as you can see, that's just not working. So I went and grabbed a couple command strips, just the clear plastic kind. They're pretty small. So I'm just gonna put those underneath the ledge of the tabletop, and then I'll attach the garland that way. And that's going to be it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't as long as my normal videos, but Like I've said before, we don't really do much stuff for fall here. So I wanted to get this video out for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Just let me know down in the comments section, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.